Commas are also used in large numbers. In fact, if we look at place value, ones column, tens column, hundreds column, every third column, a comma is used to separate the houses. Here we have the thousands house with the thousands column, the 10,000ths column, and the 100,000s before we do another comma and go into the millions. So every third number, starting from the right-hand side of a whole number, we are going to count over 1, 2, 3 places. Commas are used when writing the date. The comma comes between the day and the year. Commas are placed between city and state. Here's an example, Cincinnati, comma, Ohio. And we also put commas between counties. So here we have the city, comma, county, comma, and then finally the state. So very often, one kind of punctuation mark is coupled with another. Here I'm bringing back the period to couple with the comma in these examples. Here we have names of people and titles or academic degrees that they have gotten. Walter Overton, comma, Jr., and that is an abbreviation, so a period is used. Walter Overton, comma, PhD. We have the PH has a period after it and the D. Doctor of Philosophy is what this is. Jane Overton, Esquire. So we have the person's name and a comma, and then Esquire would show that she's an attorney. The greeting in a friendly letter is followed by a comma. We noticed before that when we are greeting in a business letter or a formal letter, we use the punctuation of the colon. But in a friendly letter, a comma is used. And then this is called a salutation. When you end your friendly letter, usually you have some kind of goodbye with sincerely. Here's a sincerely Robin, and after sincerely is a comma. If in fact it's more of a relationship of granddaughter to grandmother, it would be love and then the comma. So your greetings and your goodbyes in friendly letters are followed by commas. Additional examples of the comma and the period going together. Here we have Mr. J.L. Winters. Mr. is an abbreviation. It needs a period. And J.L. are his initials, probably a first and middle name, and then the last name is written out. St. Paul, Minnesota. When the city of St. Paul is written out, it's usually the Saint part is abbreviated. So we're going to need a period here, but a comma goes between the city and the state. And Minnesota also is an abbreviation. Mount Horn, when we're talking about mountains, many times the mountain part is abbreviated, so a period is needed after that. If you shorten your months of the year, November, and we're going to abbreviate it, usually it's the first 3 letters of the name of the month. Some months just have 3 letters in it, like May, so the longer months would be abbreviated. Sometimes if you're invited to a party, the hostess needs to know how many people are coming so she gets enough paper plates. So an RSVP would be on the invitation, and that is your clue to get in touch with the hostess and let her know if you are coming or not able to attend. When we use money, the period, the dot, actually is called a decimal point, but it looks the same as a period, and it goes on the line as you're writing. So you'd need a dollar sign with this, and the decimal point goes between the whole number and the coins. So this would be the paper money part, and this would be the coins. In just a plain decimal, the decimal point is showing the whole number side from the fractional or decimal portion of it. And here's another way that you can write cents if you don't have any dollars with it. We would have 12 cents with a decimal point and the dollar sign, or you could write it as this way as 12 and this symbol, the cent sign.